Have you ever stepped outside, looked at the sun, and suddenly, achoo? This is called the photic sneeze reflex, and it happens to about 1 in 4 people. Scientists believe it's caused by mixed-up nerve signals in your brain. When bright light hits your eyes, your optic nerve sends a message to your brain, but it might accidentally trigger your sneeze reflex too. If you sneeze in sunlight, you might have inherited it. Some studies suggest it runs in families. Have you ever sneezed because of the sun? Let me know in the comments.